Hello, everyone. Welcome to Literacy Lab. I'm Charles Matheson, your online reading tutor. And today we are going to work on descriptive writing. Descriptive writing means writing when we talk about things that we can point out, colors, textures. Textures mean how something feels, the size, the shape, things that stand out, the environment. We're going to do all of that today. Today's word is bumpy. So we have a couple of items here that are bumpy. We have a pineapple. We have peanut shells. We have the skin of an avocado. So parents, if you're having your child watch this, you can download the workbook in its entirety. I recommend having your child watch it completely and then have them work on doing the problems by themselves. Okay, so let's look at the sample paragraph. A paragraph is a bunch of words put together, one sentence right after the other. For a beginning reader, a paragraph should have at least 4 sentences. A sentence is a group of words. So a pineapple is bumpy is a sentence. Let's read all the sentences in paragraph form. A pineapple is bumpy. It is yellow and green. It is a fruit. I eat pineapple in the summer. Directions. Answer each question in a complete sentence. Excuse me. A sentence explains or says a complete thought. A complete thought is like saying, I am hungry. If I just said no one's going to know what I mean. If I say I am hungry, that's a complete thought. So we're going to answer these questions in a complete thought. What is bumpy? So we already did pineapple. Let's do peanut shell, a peanut. All right. So what is something bumpy? A peanut is bumpy. And we put a period at the end of a sentence. A period is this little dot here. And we always start a sentence with a capital letter. Okay, next. Describe what this looks like. Well, let's see. It looks brown, and it looks like it has some little tiny holes in it. So I'm going to say it is brown and has holes in it. It is brown and has holes in it. Okay. The next question says, what do you know about it? What do I know about a peanut? Okay. Well, I know that peanut butter is made from peanuts. So I'm going to write that as a sentence. Peanut butter nut butter is made from peanuts. Great. All right, next. What is your experience with it? What is your experience with peanuts? Have you tasted peanuts before? Have you seen peanuts before? Do you know somebody who eats peanuts? Do you put peanuts on your ice cream? All right. My experience with it is I like to eat peanuts. So I'm going to say I have put peanuts on my ice cream. Okay. I have put peanuts on my ice cream. Getting kind of hungry now. Maybe has some chocolate syrup. Oh my goodness, now you're talking. Okay, so we have our 4 sentences, and now we can write them in paragraph form. So in paragraph form means we're going to write them right after the other. Okay, so all right, so we're all done. A peanut is bumpy. It is brown and has holes in it. Peanut butter is made from peanuts. I have put peanuts on my ice cream. All right. Good job if you completed this on your own. So this is the sample. So now you want to make it your own and make your own sentences. All right. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to look at the main idea. The main idea is what a text is mostly about. Text is letters that are put together to make words. It covers everything that is written in the text, okay? So as we go through these, you may see some sentences that don't make sense. You're going to disregard the things that make no sense. Writers who make this book put them in there to trick you. And sometimes the main idea may be at the beginning of the sentence. It may be at the beginning of a paragraph. It may be in the middle of a paragraph. It may be at the end of a paragraph. So we have to read very carefully to find out the main idea. We can also reread a passage several times if we don't know what it is. And we can read the text aloud. Sometimes when we read the text aloud and hear it, it helps us to get the answer faster. Okay, so let's look at number 11. It says, Susan always carries an umbrella in her bag. Her sunglasses are always on her face. She carries a sweater in her bag. Susan always wants to be ready for whatever kind of weather might occur outside. She likes to eat outdoors. Okay, so let me see. Susan always carries an umbrella. She carries sunglasses. She carries a sweater. So she carries things to help her feel comfortable when she's with the weather. She likes to eat outdoors. That has nothing to do with carrying stuff. So I'm going to cross that out. So then the answer looks like it is Susan always wants to be ready for whatever kind of weather might occur. So I'm going to circle that. Number 12. Meyer is creative. He paints. He draws. He plays the guitar. He makes video games. He listens to the radio. So I see that Meyer does a lot of things. He paints, he draws, he plays the guitar. So these are all things that he's doing. He also makes video games. Okay, so he's really creative. He listens to music, listens to the radio. Well, that's not really creative, so I'm going to cross that out. They just put that there to confuse me. So if all those things are creative, then the answer has to be the first one. Meyer is creative. Let's look at the next one. Patricia says, I have to get something to eat. I will buy some pizza and a salad. I will drink some juice with my food. Patricia orders food because she is hungry. All right, so she says, I have to get something to eat. I will buy some pizza and a salad. I will drink some juice and food. Patricia orders food because she's hungry. Well, yeah, this one seems kind of easy. Very simple. She's saying all the things that she wants because she's hungry. Number 14. Hakeem said, I need to do something to not feel tired. I will relax for an hour. Then I will go to bed. I will sleep for 9 hours. When I wake up, I will clean my room. Hakeem wants to feel rested. Okay, so let's see. So he's going to sleep for 9 hours. He's going to relax for an hour. Then he's going to go to bed. So these are all ways to feel rested. So Hakeem wants to feel rested. And the last one, number 15. Daisy finished playing a video game. She said, I've lost again. I need to practice jumping more. I also need to learn how to fly. I will try different moves next time. Daisy wants to practice new techniques in her video game. All right, so she wants to learn how to fly. She needs to practice. She said, I will try different moves next time. All right, so she finished playing the game. So all these are new things because she wants to get better. So she's trying new things. So techniques is another word for things. So this is the answer. Daisy wants to practice new techniques in her video game. Okay. This brings us to the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for practicing with me. And parents, please be sure to visit wbcoaching.net if you would like to find out more about the offerings that are available in my tutoring programs. I have in-person and online tutoring programs. Thank you for your attention today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.